We're at the Crown Paradise Club Resort in Cancun. We just arrived.
Hey travel cruisers, it's Rick.
Let's do a room tour.
Okay, so here we are at the resort. It's a little windy today, but it's still warm. And look, the sun is kind of sort of coming out. Was that a rainbow? It's a rainbow, double rainbow. Oh, can we get rid of this? I've been wearing this all day on the plane, everything. Oh, let's take a look at the room.
Okay, so first of all, we have this beautiful view with this beautiful, beautiful rainbow that's happening right now. We got a little patio here. Here is the room. Now they set it up for me and my partner as twin beds, so I don't know, we probably would have changed that, but Scott couldn't come. There's a little table here. Very nice, very nice. I think my lens has some schmutz on it. Let's try that again because my lens had some schmutz. So twin beds. So Scott couldn't come because the dog was sick. I'll tell that story later. Here is the room. Let's just look real quick at the bathroom and then I'll get to details. Little mirror here. Here is the bathroom. Very nice, very nice. Shower. I like showers like this. Very nice, very nice. So that's the shower. And then we got some closets here. Looks like there's enough room. And there's a safe. Okay, and like I said, mirror here. There's a mirror. The bedroom. There should be a, well, I can use one of those chairs because I'm going to have to set up my computer here. But apparently there's drinks in here for free. Let's see what we got. Look at all this stuff. Wow. Very nice. And then we got some drawers. Looks like we got some coffee for the mornings. Okay. So all in all, I'm a little impressed right now. This is pretty good. So travel cruisers, please like and subscribe and I will show you the rest of the resort. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.